Ready? Alright guys, we're talking about
Damien with 50 caliber racing. Today we're going to be installing. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Damien with 50 caliber racing. Today we're going to be installing some 2-inch purple harnesses under this Can-Am back here. We're going to also install these quick release harness mounts. We have a 5th point strap that we're going to be installing. These are our hardware bolt kits that come with every single harness. The tools needed are going to be a 13mm wrench, a ratchet, an extension, a 13mm deep socket, an 18mm shallow socket, a T20, and a 18mm deep socket. So we're going to start by taking the seat and we're going to tilt it forward. How we're going to do that is there's two 13mm bolts up front. You just loosen those a little bit so that it gives it some play. And then in the back here, you also have two 18mm bolts down here at the bottom, right here and here. You're gonna have to take those completely off. And then what that can do is make the seat tilt forward so that you can access the bolt down here.
Yeah, see, this bolt's real hard to get to, so we're tilting it forward so we can access that guy.
As a quick little pro tip, what you can do is throw a piece of wood underneath the seat to elevate it so that you can get to these bolts here and remove those. And then you need to remove the bolts at the top right here so that you can remove the whole original stock harness. So on these back seats, it's going to be a little bit different. There's going to be a hole right here in the back. You're going to be able to pull that back and get right to that 18mm. I forgot to let you guys know that this bolt right here is actually a 16mm. Driver's side harness. I use these quick release mounts to put them in. If you use these quick release mounts, make sure that you're mounting it the eyelet perpendicular to the quick release. That way, if you do it sideways, it's going to be really hard to try and get in there and get this undone. So this is the easiest way to mount it. Makes it quick and easy, just like that. And then, as you can see here in the back, all the new hardware in with the belt, new hardware with the belt, and make sure that if you are going to put aftermarket belts in, that you do get a harness bypass, because otherwise it'll put the car in limp mode, and you don't want to be doing 5 miles an hour down the dunes, do you? As you can see here too, we got a lot of slack. If you want, you can just cut this slack off, burn the end, and then put a bead of super glue on it so that it stops the fraying. All right.
You can roll it up and zip tie it.
Finished up on the harness install. We got all 4 of the seats put back in, all the harnesses put back in. So if you take a look here, this is what I meant by zip tying up the slack. So if you have a bunch of slack that's hanging down, because these fit all different kinds of models, all different things, then just zip tie it up out of the way. Thanks guys for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like, comment if you have any questions, and share it with all your friends. Thank you.
cool. So
It looked better than the Can-Am one.
right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We love them, man. There's a lot different. So again, what was your name?
Oscar.
Oscar, this is our winner for the free harnesses this week. If you want some free harnesses, follow us. We're going to be giving away probably every week of 2026. So hope you love them.
Of course, yeah.
Thanks for
Thank you, brother.
following us.
Sure.
So
Appreciate you guys.